Hello kids, welcome to ABC123 Magical Learning. Let's learn alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10 with different colors and tracing. Let's learn name of the colors. These are the color kids. Dark pink color, red color, brown color, violet color, dark green color, orange color, light green color, light brown color, sky blue color, dark blue color, yellow color. Now let's trace the alphabet. A. Alphabet A. A for apple. Next come B. B for ball. Next comes C. C for cat. D. D for duck. Next come E. E for elephant. Next come F. F for frog. Next alphabet is G. G for grass. H for horse. H for horse. Then come I. I for ice cream. Next alphabet is J. J for juice. K. K for kite. Next come L. L for lemon. Next come which alphabet? M. M for mouse. Then come N. N for nest. O. O for orange. P for pigeon. P for pigeon. Q for queen. Q for queen. Then comes R. R for rabbit. S for swan. T for table. Next is U. U for uniform. V for van. Next alphabet is W. W for watermelon. Next is X. X for xylophone. Y for yellow. Z for zebra. Now let's trace the numbers. Number 1. 2. This is 2. Next is 3. Number 3. 4. This is number 4. After 4. 5. Number 5. Number 6. This is number 6. Then comes 7. Number 7. After 7. 8. Number 8. Then comes 9. Which number? 9. Number 9. And the last number is 10. 1, 0, 10. Let's repeat again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Let's learn numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kids, hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye. Thank you.